last video gave you a little bit of a just on where it is we're going to be going throughout this course, but in this video I thought that it would be useful now just to unpack this in a bit more detail to really help you manage your expectations in relation to what it is that we're going to be looking at throughout this course. You see, I know from experience there's going to be many people taking this course to get some sort of quick fix, quick confidence hit. They're going to take this course, get inspired, get excited, then go and carry on with the rest of their lives. But I just want to emphasize at this stage that I have not created this course to motivate you. All right, this isn't about getting you all excited. This course has been put in place to educate you, to enlighten you, so you can actually get this breakthrough that you're looking for. Now, it's important that I mention that yes, we've called this course the NLP, Confidence and Self-Esteem Breakthrough. But what I'm not, ironically, going to be teaching you throughout this course is NLP. This course is not about me just sharing a load of information and techniques with you. Why? Because information's not going to fix you, and techniques are always and only ever will be very short-lived. What I want to address and help you to develop throughout this course is your understanding on how it is that you can live an authentic and a genuine, confident life. Because there's many people out there who will tell you, and they will say that you can double your confidence, you can treble your confidence. There's other people out there who will say there's a confident code, and if you can just deal with your anxiety, you'll feel confident. And what I'm going to say is that is all absolute nonsense. Reason being is because confidence is not quantifiable. All right. Now, by this, if you right now feel like you have zero confidence whatsoever, you might be disagreeing with me. But anyone who has even just a little bit of confidence, who's feeling relatively confident in some areas, means that confidence is always going to be in context. By this, I mean that there's going to be some areas of our life that we are perfectly confident. We have no problem with confidence whatsoever. But then there's just other areas that we do struggle, and this is why, at this stage, I really want to help you grasp a vision for where it is that we're going. Because if you get the vision and if you buy into it, then we're all going to remain friends. You're not going to slander me with dirty reviews and hate mail and all that kind of stuff. And hopefully, over the next few videos, we can begin to develop a little bit of trust between us as you come to realize that I really am on your side. I really want to help you to get this stuff. Are you with me? What I'm going to have to pre-warn you about, all right, is this course has not been designed, and its purpose is not to make you feel better. All right, this course isn't to make you feel all warm and fuzzy. It's actually been designed to help you become better. All right, to become a stronger and more balanced, well-adjusted adult. Are you with me? Is this okay? There's 4 words that I've written on the board here. All right. Now I'm going to unpack what I'm about to mention here in a lot more detail throughout this section and in the next. But what I'm not going to be focused on directly throughout this course is confidence. And you might be thinking, "Oh, but Kane, this is what I've come in this course for. I just want you to make me feel confident." And this is not something that I'm physically able to do. Any man or woman out there who says they are able to make you feel confident is a liar. Why? Because I don't have any confidence that I can give you. All that I do have are some practical life insights that I live by day by day. Now you might be asking yourself right now, "So Kane, what are your credentials? What qualifications do you have?" Well, I could talk about all the certificates that I have and where I've studied and all the money that I've spent and the places that I've learned at over the years, but I'm guessing that doesn't really matter. I'm guessing all that does matter is, am I going to be able to deliver what I claim to be able to deliver? Am I going to be able to share with you some insights you can build into your life that is going to transform how it is that you feel about yourself on a day-to-day basis? And my friends, over the next few hours, you're going to be the judge of that. So one request I am going to make right now is please don't judge nor reject the course too early. You don't have to. All right. This course has not been designed to give you some quick fix. I've already mentioned this. But if you will literally run the course, The course is going to be quite a few hours long, but if you're willing to exercise patience and come with me and see this course to completion, I know you're going to understand everything that I'm going to be sharing with you. Is that cool? So all I'm going to be asking you for is a little bit of patience with me, and you might have to tolerate some Scottish humour every now and again, if that's okay. And what I guarantee to give you is absolutely everything that I have. What qualifies me? Well, my friend, I do not struggle with confidence in any area of my life, but I used to. All right. When I was around about 16 years old, I joined the British Army. I joined the British Army because I wanted to do something significant with my life. And the reason why I wanted to do something significant with my life was because back then I felt completely insignificant. Now here's the funny thing. You might be saying, "Yeah, that's okay, Kane. You've been on your journey and you've changed along the way." Well, here's the thing. I actually haven't. I am the same person today that I was back then. The only thing that's changed between back then and where I'm at today is my understanding of myself, of who I am, and about how it is that life can be most effectively lived. I've matured over the years, and this is kind of what we're going to be looking at throughout this course. The 4 words that you're going to see on the board behind me are going to become the 4 main areas of focus. Now, please hear me out. Please don't dismiss what I'm saying here without giving me the benefit of the doubt. How about, all right, rather than at the end of this course, all right? I mean, we could have a goal, couldn't we? We could say that the goal is that at the end of this course, you feel confident, then you go about and have a happy life. Or we could set and raise the bar just a little bit higher. All right. What we could say is that at the end of this course, you're going to be more aware on how to conduct yourself in a more mature, a more decisive, a more consistent manner, coming from a place of strength. Now, you might be thinking to yourself, "Yes, yes, please, I really would like that." If you think about it, think about what low confidence, and think about the areas in which low confidence and low self-esteem impacts us. Well, it does, doesn't it? When we are not feeling confident, when we are struggling with low self-esteem, it's not like we go about conducting ourselves in the most mature manner, is it? Well, the answer is, of course not. When we're not feeling confident, when we're feeling insecure within ourselves, it's not like we boldly and confidently make decisions, do we? What happens? We procrastinate, we think about it, we worry, we feel scared, we feel anxious, and all of these things. So confidence impacts us in those 4 areas. Consistency. We've already looked at this a little bit. It's not that we have no confidence in every single area of our lives, because think about it. Regardless of how insecure or how unconfident you feel right now, when you're sitting in bed on a night time about to go to sleep, I bet you're not feeling low confidence then. You'll most likely be feeling okay. You might be worrying about stuff. We generally only struggle with confidence when it comes to interacting with other people, or when it comes to trying new things. And these problems that we have with our confidence will 9 times out of 10 always directly or indirectly stem from who it is that we fundamentally believe that we are. I mean, think about it. If we fundamentally believe that we are mature, decisive, consistent, and strong, well-balanced adults, well, of course, we're going to behave and act accordingly. If we believe that we're not good enough, we're weak, we're timid, we're useless, we're worthless, or other words to that effect, then again, we're going to act and behave accordingly. So the angle that I'm going to be coming from to guide you on this journey, call it self-enlightenment, call it what you will. We're going to be fundamentally looking at what it is that you believe about yourself. I am not going to be offering you any quick fix techniques. I'm going to give you a quick confidence boost. Why? Because this stuff does not last, and it's not going to serve you in the long term. So, just to wrap up this introduction video, what I thought it might be useful just to simply acknowledge here, all right, is if by the end of this course I can help you to develop and advance in your thinking and in your understanding of what it means to be a mature, decisive, consistent, and strong, balanced adult. And then just say you were then able to start taking baby steps and start beginning to make some even minor modifications in the way in which it is that you live your life. Do you think that there's even the remotest of chances that if you were to begin growing in maturity, decisiveness, consistency, and strength, that your confidence would be impacted? And the answer, my friend, is yes. Absolutely. You see, what we could do is we could just focus all our efforts on this and on how you feel about yourselves. But what I'm going to suggest is that confidence is just the effect. This is the cause. Every problem that we could ever encounter or experience in life is always going to be the effect of something else. So what we can do, we can try to put a sticky plaster over the wound, if you like, try to make us feel better in the short term. But how about we dig a little bit deeper? How about we develop ourselves in maturity, decisiveness, consistency, and strength? Because, my friend, I guarantee that what you'll discover is that your confidence will be developed as a direct result. And my friend, when this happens, you're going to gain the confidence and self-esteem breakthrough that you originally took this course for. So I hope by now you're at least mildly intrigued. And in the next video, what I'm going to start unpacking are the foundational ideas and the presuppositions of NLP, which is what we're going to be building and basing the rest of the course on. So I look forward to seeing you again in a few moments.